Good morning. I'm going to show you this morning how to create a referral resource in CoactionNet. First, you log into CoactionNet, and then you get a screen that looks like this. To create a referral resource agency, you'll go to the left side of your screen under Search Records, and you'll select Referral Resources. You'll get a list of all of the current referral resources that are in CoactionNet. Currently, there are 159 referral resources in CoactionNet. If you're looking for a resource, you can easily search by organization name, and you can go in and edit the resource. To create a new referral resource, you'll select on the right of your screen under Search Actions, you'll select New Referral Resource. To create the referral resource, you type in the organization's name, the referral service classification. So this is a child care center, so I selected child care center from the list. You'll add the contact name, telephone number, and fax number of your contact person. You'll also want to make sure that you complete their email address and website. If they have a 211 link and if they're active, you want to make sure you put the 211 link and yes or no if they're active. Then you'll enter the address. So I'm going to put you'll notice as you type in the address, you'll get a select to map. You can, if you click on this, it'll actually give you the county, and the zip code will automatically pop in and will give you a map of where the location of this organization. If there's a MIFA code, you'll enter the MIFA code for this organization, and then you select the type of resources. The type of resources is very critical because these are connected to other forms in CoactionNet, and so if we want to pull in the list of all of the current active resources under a certain category, they'll pull up as long as this box is checked on the referral resource screen. So for this agency, I'm going to put that they are ESC Referral Agency, an ESC Mental Health Child Care Consultation Agency, a Developmental Screening Agency, and a Nurturing Parenting Agency. So they do a lot. Once you've completed this portion of the form, you'll notice that a date the MOU completed is pops up, and also an attachment, place where you can attach the actual agency MOU. So what you want to do is you'll put the date that the MOU was completed. So for some of these agencies, they must have an MOU, like the mental health consultation and nurturing parenting. I believe even with the developmental screening, you must have an MOU in order to begin providing services. So in order, there's this option for you to put the date the MOU was completed, and also an option for you to attach the MOU, the completed MOU. So basically, you just press the Choose File button, and if the form is on your computer screen, you click on the form, and it'll automatically attach in CoactionNet. A very critical thing that you also must do is put the ESCN specialist, or even it's the nurturing parenting specialist, whoever it is that is working with this organization, their email must go here so that you can get copied on certain emails, especially with like the ESC referral. You need to get copied, and so this is how we know what your email address is, by going to this screen. Once you've completed all of the fields in this screen, you press Save Record and View Folder. And what you'll notice is, just like the majority of the other screens in CoactionNet, there's a quick view for this agency. You'll see where it basically has all of the information that you just entered, but it's quick view. You see the organization's name, the referral resource classification, telephone number, the organization's website, address lookup, if they're active or not, the type of resource, the date the MOU completed, the agency MOU, and also the ESC specialist email. There are also some additional documents. So then now you can start adding forms and completing the forms that are attached to this agency. To edit this agency, you click on them. When you go back to this list, you click on the agency here, and then you can press Edit referral resource agency, and you can edit pretty much any of this information that's here. So like if you're building a relationship with the organization and they're not quite a nurturing parenting agency just yet, you can always select the other what they are, and then you can come back and actually enter them as a nurturing parenting agent. So you can always edit this document to include any updates, or as you are building a relationship with this organization, you can always come back and make corrections and updates to this form. And that's how you enter a referral resource in CoactionNet.